Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's lab, we are going to simulate the SMB authentication attack from the Kali Linux machine against the Windows 11 endpoint. So after executing this attack, we can investigate the security logs in Splunk and we can understand how the SOC analyst will detect this activity. So first step is I am doing the reconnaissance. Like before attempting the authentication, we need to verify whether the SMB service is available on the target system. So I'm scanning the TCP port 445 using the Nmap. The result shows that port 445 is open, so which means the Windows system is exposing the SMB service and it's a potential target. So now I'm attempting to authenticate the Windows system using the administrator account with an incorrect password. So it will simulate the password spray or brute force style authentication attempt. So against the SMB services. So now after this running the command, so we can check the logs in the Splunk. So I am trying multiple times to verify the logs. So now let's open to the Splunk. So here we can verify the Windows records and this authentication attempts. I am logging the Splunk with my credentials. And now I am opening the Splunk search. From the Splunk search, I am running the query like a index equal to Windows. So my index is Windows. So that's why I'm checking the Windows for last 15 minutes. For past 15 minutes, you can see only few alerts like 2007. And now I am checking the only for Windows security source type. Source type equal to Windows log security. So I can see only less number of events. So now I am checking only for particular event code 4625. It will indicates the failed login attempts. So since we have only two logs, so now I am trying the multiple times login failures by repeating the attack simulation. See here, I am running the same command multiple times to generate the logs. I am using the same command. I did not change anything. Just I am using the nmap smb attack using the wrong password. And the attack and the username you can see administrator. So now let's move to the Splunk and I am searching for last 24 hours. I'm selecting last 24 hours. See here, we can see some multiple logs. Now I am applying the table. So by using the table, so we can get all the like required information in the tabular format. So here we can see event code, computer name, account name, and logon process, logon type, and source IP address and source port. So by applying this field, so we can get the logs in a tabular format. See the logs. So event code is 4625 and computer name. It's my device name and account name. You can see the target account name is administrator. So which confirms attacker attempt to authenticate using the local administrator account and also logon process. The logon process is NTLM SSP. So which indicates that Windows process this authentication using the NTLM authentication protocol and logon type is 3. So which represents the network logon. Like this confirms that authentication attempts originated over the network through SMB rather than from a user logon locally. So under status we can see some hexadecimal value which indicates a generic login failure. So like this, SOC analyst will collect the logs. Please follow this channel for more SOC real cases. Thank you.